Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram close story views not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open Instagram and then tap on your story and tap on views. So you can see here no views yet, so it's not showing here any views. So what you have to do is just simply close this page and you have to install Instagram Lite from here. Here it is. Install it and you have to log in your account in it. So from here you have to check that if your views are showing or not. If the views are not showing, then what you have to do is just simply close this page and you have to make sure that your Instagram is updated or not. So you can see here my Instagram is updated. So finally, the most important step I'm going to tell you, just open settings. You have to tap on app management and then tap on app settings. From here you have to search for Instagram. Here it is. So guys, let me tell you that this is the most important step because your storage and cache is full, so that's why your views are not showing. So you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to Instagram. If you have, then you have to tap on force stop, then okay, and you have to clear cache and clear storage. And after doing all these things, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.